Teaching English for Beginners Level 1, Lesson 10. Now, let's use in, on, at for place part 1. The girl is in the room. The cat is in the box. The man is in the car. The girls are in the shop. The clothes are in the bag. The doctor is in the hospital. The worker is in the factory. The scientist is in the lab. The boat is in the river. The lion is in the cage. Mother is in the garden. The boy is in the pool. On, lamps are on the ceiling. A picture is on the wall. A notice is on the door. The bag is on the bed. A ball is on the floor. A man is on an island. A label is on the bottle. A rabbit is on the grass. A badge is on the shirt. A farmer is on the field. Prices are on the menu. The man is at the bus stop. The boy is at the door. The men are at the cinema. We are at crossroads. If you liked the video, don't forget to push the like button, subscribe, share the video with your friends. Send your comments and questions to make more videos. Till next level, enjoy your learning.